This is a tire machine demo from Frankhurtauto. So what you do first is take the weights off, like using this tool. Grab it right here, pull it off, this one off. Check on the other side if there are any other weights. And there's one over here.
We have to test it.
The good news is
you take this tool and it should fit right into the little socket here. Turn to the left. It should start coming out. Be careful, the inside. Taking the bead, right? So you take the switch here and line this up against the right here.
Pop louder.
Louder? Alright. Go to the other side. Line it up again. Push the button again. And we have after we break the bead and stuff, we pick up the tire, load it up on the machine, lock it in. After it's locked, we grab this thing right here and we adjust it to 100 Put it down, don't let it touch, but it should be fairly close to the rim. You lock it in place. Alright, and it should be good. And after you've done that, you take this tool, just put it underneath here, and you can put some pressure on the tire. Get it over top of the L piece here, and you just let it spin. And now you've got the top part off. Now we can do the same thing with the same side. This side, obviously.
No, stand on the edge, right?
Get it underneath the bottom part of the tire.
Shit out of
machine.
And turn it again.
That was the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. No lie, right there.
And we're done. And it's off. Tire off. You should look at this part right here, inside the tire rim. And just scrape across with a wire brush and clean any debris or build up on the actual rim. You want to do the same to the tire on the inside right here. Both sides. Alright, so then after you've done that, lubed it up, you pick it up. So we're on top here. And just put this back on. And you just press the button and let it go. And the first part is done. So after you got the first part on, what you want to do is put it underneath this and get the tire over the top of this right here. Okay, after you've done that, you want to keep putting pressure here, so after you start turning, it doesn't rip or the tire gets too tight. So let it go, and there you have it. You're done. Grab a little air hose. on the other side, and you should. I'm going to put these tool and you took out before and tighten it up.
What do you like or dislike?
Should be fairly tight. We want to fill it up to 40. It says 44, but we want to take it to 42. So we put it on again after we put in the valve. So we're around 30 now. Cap on. And you should be able to just take your tire off. And that's it done.